Hey guys, Mama Bear Reviews here, and I'm here to talk about my Tao cleanser brush. And I'm just going to show you kind of how I use it, what I love about it. So let's get started first. I'm going to take off all my makeup. No wipes. The Tao cleanser that I got did come with like a makeup removing thing, but today I'm being lazy, so I'm just going to take it off with the no wipes. I'll be right back. All right, now that we got all the makeup off, well, for the most part, there'll still be like a little bit because makeup wipes never get it all. Remember that, you always have to cleanse your face. I mean, if the wipes are all you have and you're like too tired and don't want to deal with it, then that's, you know, at least a quick fix, but always try and cleanse and get that stuff so you don't get breakouts. So now I'm gonna go in with this Hydro Boost Neutrogena exfoliating cleanser. I love this stuff. It lasts forever. I literally got this thing like a year ago and it's just now like right here. I'm gonna have to get some more, but I got this like for Mother's Day last year, and you just need the tiniest little amount. It's so worth $8. Like, you can't beat that. So anyways, and then I go in with the Tao cleanser. Grab it. So it looks like this off the stand. It's this little cute little hand thing. It looks like that. Brushes, and you just put the cleanser right in the center of it. And I don't know if you can tell, like, it's completely dry because the stand, I'll show you guys when I'm done, the stand actually has a light in it, a UV light that dries and sanitizes it every time while it's charging. So you don't have to worry about like gross bacteria forming, and when you just leave it out, it goes inside the container like this, so it's covered. Love it. Anyways, let's put the water on here, and I just wet it a little bit and put the cleanser right in the center. There's like a little hole, and I just put like the tiniest little amount. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Tiniest little amount. And there's two buttons, so there's like, turn this off. So there's like the power button right here, and there's like another little button, I don't know, another little button right there. That's the sensitivity. So if you turn it on and then hit this button, it goes like less powerful for sensitive skin, which is what I use. But here, let's see if you can like tell the difference. And there's a timer too. So like there's an automated like timer, and it'll like pulse at you when it's time to like switch quadrants of your face. Sometimes I just do it all and just keep going, but it's nice to have little quadrants so you know exactly how much time. But anyways, if you push it, like I have the sensitivity on, but if you turned it on, works great. And then I just like shake off any extra dry. I dry the bottom, like you don't have to, like the hand part that you actually hold. You rinse my face and I'll get back to you. Dry my face. Everyone says pat it dry, but you know, sometimes I'm in a hurry, you know? Okay. So that's pretty much it. And then I go with the rest of my nighttime routine. But yeah, like it's so smooth. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. This lighting's weird in my bathroom, but it's so smooth. Obviously I'm breaking out a little bit, but it doesn't leave it like overly dry. Like I have like dry combo skin, so I get super dry skin in the winter. So I will say, but it's not, like it looks a little matte, but yeah, I love it. And then this is the stand that you put it on. Let me show you. So like this is the stand, and I just have it on this hook right by my shower, and then it just goes in like that, and that'll like light up when it's working. Yeah, so it just sits right on top like that, and then you can see the blue light down there means that that's like with the UV that it's drying, because then if you open it, it comes off. So you know that it's working, and the little blue light's on, and it just, I leave it there, it sanitizes it, and gets it all ready for tomorrow. So if you want to see the rest of my routine, you can keep watching. If not, if you don't care, you only came here for the Tao Clean review, then that's it. I love it. I will link my blog down below where I go into way more depth about pros and cons and just all sorts of stuff. But Tao Clean is actually offering my subscribers, followers, whoever out in the world, a 62% off code. Just type in Mama Bear at checkout and try it out for yourself. If you want to watch the rest of my nighttime routine, just keep watching. I'm going after I cleanse with a cotton pad and this Thayer's facial toner, Witch Hazel with a rose petal, and I just kind of like dribble some on a cotton pad and then just wipe this. I love this stuff. It's like so hydrating, because in the winter, like after I cleanse, if I don't do this right away, like my skin does dry out. So it's not necessarily the brush, because I only notice it in winter. Like summer, I'm fine. I think it's just the dry skin in California the dry climate in California. Anyway, so I get that. It gets every little like last bit off. And then on days that it's just been super windy here in Northern California the last few days, so I'm actually gonna add a little more moisture to my face. I'm gonna go in with this Derma E vitamin serum, or vitamin E serum. I can't talk today, guys. Anyways, if you wanna know more about that too, I'll link that blog post about my great skincare, great price, because if you see my other video about great skincare, great price, like I refuse to pay over an exuberant amount for skincare. Like I have 2 kids, a husband, like I don't have time. I just don't, I don't know. I'd rather spend it on something else. And I found the skincare that works. So anyways, just got the rest on. This vitamin E oil definitely will leave your skin feeling hydrated. Not really like it definitely has like a slick texture to it. Like it's not like something that just absorbs into your skin. Like you can definitely like feel it after. But I like that for a nighttime, because I don't know, I like it for a nighttime because then it like really soaks in, and in the morning my skin is so nice, so supple, so hydrated. It makes going to bed slimy worth it. Not really slimy, I would say, just kind of like I said, like slick. Anyways, and then after that, I go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer. And I don't really have to use a ton of this because the E oil will definitely do the trick. And you don't have to necessarily put a moisturizer on after because it's that like hydrating and all that, but this just, I don't know, I like the smell of it. It has like, not a cooling effect, but I don't know, I just like the way my skin feels, and it's like extra hydration. So that's why I do it. So there you go. There's the nighttime routine and Cleo. So there you go. There's my nighttime routine and Tao cleanser review. And I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, use the code if you want to try the cleanser for 62% off. And let me know what you guys think if you try it out for yourself. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.